Good evening and a warm welcome to the HEAL Security Dispatch Daily Digest, your go-to source for the latest in cybersecurity trends and expert insights, proudly presented by HEAL Security. I'm Ed Hall, joining you from London, ready to explore the vital nexus of healthcare and cybersecurity intelligence today. Today is Monday, the 1st of December 2025. Join me as we explore the complex terrain of cybersecurity in the digital world. Google removed an ex-Twitter post after users noticed the company had shared an AI-generated recipe infographic that was nearly identical to a food blogger's copyrighted recipe. The incident raised concerns about AI systems reproducing scraped content without attribution, and about Google promoting such content as original. The French Football Federation disclosed that attackers accessed its club management software through a compromised account, exposing personal data such as names, birth details, contact information, and license numbers of potentially millions of members. No banking data was involved, and the organization has reset passwords, secured access, and notified authorities. CISA added a vulnerability in the OpenPLC/ScadaBR industrial control framework to its known exploited list after confirming active exploitation. The flaw poses heightened risk to organizations operating industrial or SCADA systems, prompting urgent patching and mitigation. South Korea's major e-commerce platform Coupang revealed a major data breach potentially affecting a large portion of the country's population. Personal data including names, emails, phone numbers, addresses, and order histories was compromised. Investigators suspect misuse of credentials from a former employee, though financial information and passwords were reportedly unaffected. A new report on healthcare data security found that much of the theft of protected health information results not from sophisticated hacks, but from mismanagement, misattachment, and internal handling errors. The findings highlight the need for better operational controls and training to protect sensitive patient data. A critical flaw in the Apache bRPC framework was disclosed that allows attackers to crash servers, leading to denial of service conditions. Organizations using the framework have been urged to apply patches quickly to prevent service outages. An Australian man was sentenced to prison for conducting Wi-Fi-based cyberattacks, targeting airports and aircraft networks. His actions demonstrated the threat that wireless attacks can pose to aviation infrastructure and the importance of securing Wi-Fi systems in sensitive environments. Security leaders revisited a prior cyber attack on CISA AMC to discuss lessons learned, emphasizing the importance of strong incident response planning, transparent communication practices, and proactive security strategies as part of overall organizational resilience. Thank you for listening. I'm Ed Hall. We appreciate your time and listening. I'm excited to have you with us again tomorrow for more insightful updates. Remember to hit the like button, subscribe for continuous coverage and expert analysis, and sign up for a free trial of HEAL Security Desktop at healsecurity.com. Until we meet again, don't have nightmares. Stay informed and secure in the digital world.